When I tell you that there's a lot of money to be made online, you better believe me. Because if I tell you how much I have made in the past 3 months, you will be shocked. So I advise you to skip this video as I'll be revealing to you 3 different ways that I've used to make money online from the comfort of my home here in Nigeria. I'll be sharing with you how I started so that you can incorporate those same principles into your online money making journey. I would also like to let you know that everything that I'll be sharing in this video, you only need just your smartphone and your internet connection to get started with it. This video will be split into 5 different parts, and number 1 is what made me to venture into the online space. 2 is how I ventured into making money with graphic design using just my smartphone, and 3 is what made me to go into video editing. 4 is what made me to go into YouTube content creation and how much I've made for YouTube content creation even without being monetized. And number 5 is what you need to know before you venture into any of these online making money stuff. I'll be cutting the video into different timelines so you can skip and watch whichever one interests you. So if today is your first time coming across my video, my name is Solo Wise, and I teach about content creation, YouTube growth, and also how to make money online. And if you're not yet subscribed, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that anytime video just like this, you will get notified. So without much talking and wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Number 1 is what made me to venture into the online money making stuff. Yes, what made me to venture into online stuff. So this was how I started. It was actually, though I really love making money because I've seen a lot of people saying that they have made a lot of money online, they have made thousands, made hundreds of money online, but though I've not really seen anyone that actually showed me how to, but I really have that interest to actually go into it. The first thing I did was I went for a seminar and I just saw someone that actually explained everything for me. Then my interest on that grew up. Then that was how I decided, okay, since it mentioned a lot of ways to make money online, it mentioned about content creation, mentioned affiliate marketing, mentioned Amazon KDP, mentioned graphic designers. So though I have interest in graphic design before, so I just said, oh, let me get into graphic design. That was how I went, bought a lot of courses from graphic design. Then I started learning graphic design. How did I start making money from graphic design? I didn't make money when I started designing, though I was already designing for free when I started. Yes, maybe someone would just say, oh, it needs something, I'll just design for him. Not until when I got into university, that was when I actually started making money. Then I have friends that want to do graphic design for their work, different things that they are doing, their business. So they actually asked me to do it for them. And then that was how I started making money from graphic design. Then when I started, in a week, I was making close to 10K. In a week, just imagine, in a week of making close to 10K. Calculate that in a month, you know that in a month I'm making up to 40K, and you know what that means. Not recently, I decided to know because school stuff and other things I was doing with my content creation, I decided to stop graphic design for some time because I'm really busy. So for now, I'm not doing graphic design. Now coming to number 2, video editing. When I was actually going to graphic design, that was why I said, so okay, let me venture into content creation. But to venture to content creation, you need to know stuff about video editing. So first of all, and then I was on the type that like talking online. I don't like facing camera, like I'm that kind of shy person. Also, I just say, okay, since I can't talk for the camera, let me learn video editing. So that was how I started video editing. I started doing video editing, nobody to film, nobody to video, so I started video myself. That was how I started video editing. I started editing myself. Then that was how I got into YouTube. If I got into YouTube, there was a time I started doing video editing for people and getting paid for it. So there's still money in video editing. So the biggest one as a video editor, if you know how to do video editing and you have not yet started it, you are missing a lot, which is content creation. If you want to start content creation, there's the YouTube platform, Facebook platform. These two are paying, and even TikTok. Yeah, TikTok are paying if you actually know how to make use of those platforms. So most people are saying TikTok doesn't pay Nigerians, which is actually true. But if you know how to set up your TikTok account very well, you actually be able to get your Nigeria TikTok account monetized. If you want me to make a video about that, I would like you to hit the like button. Yes, hit that like button and go to the comment section and let me know if you want me to make video about how to create a TikTok account here in Nigeria. And bet you, if you really want it, I'm going to do that for you. Now, before I get into how I started making money from content creation as a YouTuber, I will encourage you to hit the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so at any time video just like this, you will get notified. And make sure, don't forget to like the video and share it to more people that you think they will actually love this video. Now, how did I start? When I started YouTube for close to 1 year, it wasn't really good. Then there was sometimes I would go off, come back, skip, come back. But I had the joy of making content. That was what really kept me back then, because when I actually got into YouTube content creation, I was thinking, oh, maybe before you know, I'm going to start making money from YouTube monetization. But after so long, I wasn't getting that result that I actually wanted. Can you imagine? Close to a whole year, I was just having I think it was 79 subscribers just for, imagine, more than a year. I think it was more than a year, just 79 subscribers, and just imagine that. But I keep on pushing because I actually have I have an interest for content creation. That was why, I loved actually putting myself out there. So I was actually, though my interest was no longer in money, it was not in getting popularity, actually getting people to know me. That was what actually kept me in content creation, until, as you can see on this channel, we are more than 1K subscribers. Now, how did I really make money from YouTube content creation, even without being monetized? It was actually when I got to 500 subscribers. Then, if I should tell you that one video was what changed my channel, most of you won't believe. On one of my videos, I'll be talking about that separately, how one video turned my channel around for good. One video gave me more than 800 subscribers. Just one video gave me more than 800 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So how did I get to start making money on YouTube even without being monetized? So when I got to 500 subscribers, I started getting a lot of people asking me to actually run promotion for them. And just as we all know, the good, they are the good and they are the bad. Later, I started checking out most of those platforms to know if they are legit before I can actually make video about them. So that was how I started making money from YouTube. There was a time some platform would pay me up to $50. That is close to 79. That was more than 70,000 naira here in Nigeria just to do a promotion for them on YouTube. And I'm not a monetized, so I was really making a lot of money. So that is to show that even without being monetized, you can still make money from that your YouTube channel. So now, what are the things that you need to know before even venturing into any of these? Yes, so based on experience, there are just two things I will tell you, maybe three. One is have interest on what you are doing. Don't just dive into it before people are doing it, because if you dive into it because people are doing it, you will actually lose interest in it. Before you start anything, start with you have the passion to go into it. If you have the passion to go into it, then fine. If you don't have the passion, look for something that you have passion for, then you can go into it. Two, know that you might not make money when you start. That is just it. If you have that mindset of, when I start this business in the next 2 months, I'm going to make money from it, guy, remove that mindset. It might work for some people, but it might not work for some people. That's just how it's going to be. So remove that mindset and actually put on the mindset of whether this thing work or it does not work, I'm going to continue with it. And if you actually have that mindset, eventually you are going to really see the result. Another thing I should let you know is people are going to actually discourage you. Yes, people are going to discourage you, but I would like to let you know that no matter what, don't be discouraged. Have that mindset that you are going to get to where you are going no matter what. So that is just it. So that's just how I started making money online. So if you really have any question, any topic you want me to teach on, I'd like you to go to comment section and let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to make that video for you. And also, if you want to learn 5 different ways for you to make money online, click the video that I'll be showing on the screen right now. It will take you to my video on where I teach out 5 different ways where you can make money online with just your smartphone. Very much otherwise, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.